None of the key concerns related to terror have been addressed by Pakistan. How can they actually go? We seem to have lost contact with her. However, the big story that we are following here, Pakistan resumes dialogue in Islamabad. However, today, a special session on Kashmir is scheduled when the foreign secretaries of India and Pakistan resume their dialogue in Islamabad. But it seems the special session exclusively devoted to Kashmir has been thrust on India. That's the feeling that is coming across because none of India's key concerns that are related to terror or 26/11 have been addressed. Let's go across to Indrani Bagchi, who joins us. Ma'am, Pakistan has made no tangible progress on the 26/11 trial but has succeeded in pushing India to talks on Kashmir.
Actually, Pakistan has not almost any of the issues that India has on terrorism, especially on the Mumbai trials, because the trial continues to be almost at a standstill. However, the session on Jammu and Kashmir was always scheduled as a separate segment of the round, and if you go back to the composite dialogue as it used to be, there used to always be a separate session on Jammu and Kashmir. It's not that actually mean that India is conceding ground on Jammu and Kashmir, but as the government and as the Thimphu Declaration stated, that India would continue to engage Pakistan on all issues, including Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir has never actually been any bigger, has been part of a bigger dialogue and has always had a separate segment all to itself.
Indrani, but this is also coming at a time when there has been no tangible progress on the 26/11 trial. Why has there been no special session?
There is no tangible progress on the 26/11 trial, and there is not likely to be any tangible progress on the 26th, because from a lot of conversations with Pakistan sources here, it is reasonably clear that Pakistan believes that they are over the 26th.
Indrani, also the fact that's coming across here is a feeling that none of India's key concerns that are related to terror are being addressed.
Yeah, that would be correct, because it is India has made a lot of representations on terrorism, on Mumbai. There was a special session or completely directed to counterterrorism and Mumbai, which was done by the Home Secretary. But there has been no movement, and from everything that I'm hearing, it's not likely to happen anytime soon.
But is this not sparking of discrimination that Pakistan wants a special session on Kashmir, but our concerns on terror are not being addressed at all?
Well, if you go back to the Thimphu Declaration, nowhere does it say that Pakistan a session on Kashmir if they don't move on terror. They are expected to move on terror with or without Kashmir, but they don't move on terror. But India will address all the issues, including Jammu and Kashmir. So Kashmir will always get not a special session, but Kashmir will always get a special part of the dialogue.
The question that's sparking off here, Indrani, once again, why are India's questions on terror 26/11 not even being addressed? Pakistan ministry almost seeming to have let go, like you rightly said, of our concerns on 26/11.
Because ultimately, for Pakistan to address India's concerns on terrorism, Pakistan would have to change the way it thinks about India. And I don't think that has happened yet.
But Indrani, how can this dialogue move forward without cooperation and without understanding of some of the main agendas on both the sides?
Completely correct. And the difficulty with that is the Pakistanis, where the dialogue runs into trouble is the fact that the Pakistanis want India to move on Kashmir and India wants Pakistan terrorism. So it's in a way it is kind of an impasse.
Right.
The way India looks at it is that if you look at the dialogue or the engagement with Pakistan on a broader scale, where you move on smaller things, more increments, then ultimately we will get to a state where the trust deficit that is there between the two countries is addressed, and at about that time we will be able to address the bigger problems. But for the moment, I don't think we will get any satisfaction from Pakistan on the core concerns of terrorism that we have.
In fact, Indrani, Nirupama Roy yesterday made a statement that she would try and make sure the trust deficit, like you said, should be shortened. But again, it seems that Pakistan is back to its old tricks.
Well, Pakistan will continue. Pakistan is in a position right now where it won't change the strategic mindset that governs its actions, and India will be a victim of that mindset.